You've probably seen Fishbox trending on the App Store, and the big question is simple. Is this fishing app actually helpful or just another subscription trap? Fishbox markets itself as a smart fishing assistant, and honestly, the idea is solid. The app combines fishing maps, activity forecasts, catch tracking, and learning tools all in one place. Instead of guessing where fish might be, it tries to use data like weather, time, and location to predict better fishing conditions. The interface is clean and beginner-friendly. Even if you're new to fishing apps, navigating the maps, logging catches, and checking forecasts feels simple. That's one of its strongest points. It doesn't overwhelm users. But here's the reality. Most of the features people actually want are locked behind the premium subscription. The free version works, but it feels limited once you start exploring deeper tools. If you're expecting everything for free, you'll be disappointed quickly. Accuracy is another thing to understand. Fishbox gives predictions, not guarantees. Can improve planning, but it won't magically make fish appear. Skill, location knowledge, and patience still matter more than any app. This video is only for educational and informational purposes. Always check official app details, pricing, and features yourself before making any purchase decision. So is Fishbox worth it? If you fish regularly and enjoy tracking data and improving strategy, Fishbox can be a useful companion. If you're a casual angler looking for instant results without effort, you probably don't need it.